everyone, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be talking about my drag bike, my Thai drag bike, the Honda Dream 100. And we've just finished the run-in for the 56mm big bore and the camshafts. So let's go have a look how it's doing. So here we are, she's looking beautiful like normal with the nice low shocks. We got the disc on now, the air filter. And there's that 56mm big bore, the cams are about there. And I've tested this thing, and you might not believe it, but it goes 160 kilometers an hour, 160 kilometers an hour. And that's with the same carburetor. In the future I'm planning for a new carburetor, a clutch as well. So yeah, the clutch as well, which will be very nice. Got the Sakon seat, Sakon RCB suspension on the rear. And yeah, that's about it. So now we're gonna roll some clips of us testing the bike out for the first time.
Why the fucking camera มันเป็นอย่างนี้วะไอ้เหี้ย
Guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this content, and if you want more, go onto my channel and have a look. Yep, make sure to drop a subscribe, notification bells, you know the drill. And yep, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to always be brave, adventurous, and always send it. See ya! Woo!